狗咬狗骨，狗咬狗骨。
In this idiom, you should know the character
狗
So would you get the meaning of the idiom? It is almost the same as one English idiom. Yes, it is dog eat dog. The direct translation of this idiom is dog bites dog's bone. It is used to describe a situation in which two people or two parties fight each other in order to get something. For example,
嗰兩個流民狗咬狗骨，尋晚因為爭的士而大打出手。嗰兩個流民狗咬狗骨，尋晚因為爭的士而大打出手。
In English, it means the two hooligans is like dog eat dog. They fought each other last night because of flagging down a taxi. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you next time.